Sit down to write your weekly email and just stare at the screen. You know you need to show up consistently. You even set the intention. But when it's time to hit send on Tuesday, you're stuck thinking, what do I even say this week? Hi, friends. Welcome back to the Inbox to Income podcast. My name is LIEZLE, and in today's episode, we're digging into the real reason your emails feel hard to write. Spoiler, it's not that you lack creativity, it's that you haven't chosen a simple, repeatable content vehicle. If you want email to feel easier and actually convert into sales, you need a system that works with your strengths, not against them. Today, I'm going to help you find yours. Last week, I introduced you to the simple structure I teach inside the e-commerce email rhythm playbook. Just to recap, Tuesdays are for valuable content, Fridays are for product spotlights, and every 6 weeks, we layer in a simple 3-day promo. It's simple, it's sustainable, and it works. But here's what I've learned after teaching this to dozens of e-commerce founders. If your Tuesday emails don't feel easy and repeatable, the entire rhythm falls apart. Because Tuesday sets the tone for everything else content-wise in your business. So in this episode, we're zooming in on the piece most people get stuck on. What do I even say every week? Here's the thing. If your list only hears from you on sale days, they're going to treat your emails like a sale flyer. They'll open only when there's a discount, and worse, they'll forget you exist in between. But when they hear from you every Tuesday with content that educates, inspires, or encourages them, that's when your brand becomes memorable. And that's when your subscribers start looking forward to hearing from you. That's when email marketing actually starts to work and bring in consistent sales. Tuesday emails build relationship equity. They earn attention, they earn trust, and they give you permission to sell because you're not just asking for a sale. You're showing up with value consistently every week. So, how do you make those Tuesday emails feel simple, sustainable, and not like a weekly creative drain? Let's talk about your content vehicle. Think of your content vehicle as your container. It's the one structure you commit to, so you're never starting from scratch or uncertain about what's the next step. It's the fuel behind your Tuesday email. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Okay, cool, but what does that actually look like in real life? Well, let me walk you through the 5 content vehicles I teach inside the Rhythm Playbook for you to choose from. These aren't 5 more things to add to your to-do list, so don't stress, but these are 5 possible paths, and you only need one. So here they are. First, you can do a blog. If you love writing and you want to drive more organic traffic to your store, this is perfect. 2, a YouTube show, like this one. If you enjoy being on camera and want to create educational or behind the scenes content that showcases your products, YouTube is perfect. You can also do a podcast. If you prefer talking over typing and want to share your story or product journey through audio, podcasts are perfect. 4 is a weekly Q&A, where you answer customer questions in bite-sized tips that educate, entertain, or clarify. And 5, email newsletter. If you want to keep it simple with one thoughtful email each week, there's no other platform required. So these are just different lanes on the same highway. The goal is the same, to fuel your Tuesday email with content that connects, not content that burns you out, and to attract more people to your brand. And if you're still not sure which one's right for you, that's okay, because inside the Rhythm Playbook, I walk you through a quick decision guide that helps you choose the best fit for you and your buyer. Because when your content aligns with your strengths, you actually stick to it. And when you stick to it, that's when your audience starts showing up, clicking, and buying. And the best part is you don't have to be everywhere. You don't have to do video and a blog and a podcast. You just need one format that works for you and the confidence to commit to it. This writing or recording this episode is going to become the center of your entire content engine. Now, here's what I do in my own business. Every Monday, I publish a new blog with a video show embedded on the page. Then Tuesday, I send a short story or insight from that episode that ties into that content, and I link it in my email. It's the same rhythm every single week, and I haven't missed a beat in years. It's not fancy, but it's super powerful because I'm not guessing what to say. I'm just extending the value I already created. I'm showing up and my audience is staying engaged. I'm offering them some of me, some of my personality, and that's what gets us connected. Once I locked in that system, everything changed. My open rates climbed past 55%. My click rates nearly doubled and then tripled. And best of all, I stopped dreading Tuesdays. And I've seen this work over and over again with clients. One client was stuck in the only email when I have a sales cycle. Does that sound familiar? Now, we picked a blog format that aligned with their brand voice. We brainstormed 8 content ideas in under an hour, and we started batching. Within 3 weeks, she had a month of Tuesday emails scheduled, and her click-through rates jumped by 9%. Not because the emails were longer or more clever, but because she finally had structure and she knew exactly what was expected of her. Sometimes we just need someone to tell us what to do and we'll do it. So, if you're sitting there wondering, should I write a blog, start a YouTube channel, just keep an email only? Here's your permission slip. Pick the one you'll actually do. One that's going to be easy for you. There are no wrong answers, just your choice. And the only rule is to make sure your content serves your buyer, not just the algorithm. I want you to think like your buyer. What are they Googling before they make a purchase? What doubts are they having that you can address in a helpful, human way? Some of the best performing content I've seen includes how to choose the right product for insert your ICA. What makes our product different from products that they can find on Amazon? Behind the scenes of how our best seller is made. Seasonal guides, even for small shops. You don't need to be a pro content creator. You just need to be a consistent one. Inside the Rhythm Playbook, I help you choose your content vehicle. I help you brainstorm ideas that are aligned with your brand and map out your Tuesday emails with a plug and play calendar that actually makes batching feel doable. You're not meant to figure this out alone. That's exactly what the playbook is for. You can learn more now at SHECOMMERCEsimplified.com/rhythm. This week, your job isn't to batch a month of emails or build a full content plan. Your job is to get clear on what feels doable and aligned with you and your brand. So here are your 3 simple steps. Notice what content feels most natural. Writing, video, audio, Q&As. 2, jot down 3 questions your customers ask all the time. 3, imagine how your business would feel if answering just one of those each week powered your Tuesday emails and your content plan. Now, if that vision excites you, but you're not sure how to make it happen, you're going to love what's waiting inside the playbook. And I designed the mini course so that you can get through it in a weekend. Next week, we're diving into a sneaky little habit that might be killing your open rates without you even realizing it. Are you accidentally training your list to only open when there's a discount? Oof, it's going to be a good one. I am so excited to have you along for the ride. Until then, happy emailing, my friend. Bye for now.
Never up, never down, never like a theme in a song, clever.